The grocery, currently we are Monday through Friday, 11 to 7, and then Saturday, 10 to 6. So the bakery opened in 2006. Is that right?
Yeah, February of 2006.
But we moved into a loft before that, like a year before that. So we've been living down here since 2005.
Yep.
And then we moved to the bakery location in 2019.
Yep. So we were 13 years in the original location. Then we moved to the new spot. Needed a little more space.
Right. And now we're here. I think for the majority of it, well, I say that, but I think it was for a good chunk of its history, it was a cafe.
Yeah, apparently it's been several different cafes, but usually a cafe of some sort.
Right. One was called maybe Windjammers, I think someone told me. Windjammer. And then was that the one where they were saying that there were all the firefighters would sit in here and like drink coffee, and but the fire station was right there. So they had like a bell or something threaded through across the alleyway. So when the fire alarm would
if they were over here when they were eating, the fire alarm would go off. And
go. I see people just popping in for like grab and go lunch or snacks, like at their desk if they work downtown. Also people picking up dinner ingredients or ready-made dinners on their way home from work or picking up the kids.
Yeah, just groceries in general. Having the grocery downtown makes it convenient, not only for people that work and live downtown, but the surrounding areas. It makes it, I don't know, it's a convenient location.
Also see people who are staying at the Airbnbs and stuff. Like if they forget we have toothbrushes. You know, if they forget an essential item, they can stop in, or if they need wine, they can come in without getting in their car. They can just stay downtown.
Yeah, a lot of times they'll have like stoves and stuff on site. If they don't feel like going out, they can make something themselves. Yeah. It just seems like something that is crucial for any sort of a growing community.
Right, and there have always been things that have been hard to get here, so people go to Dallas or they go get it through Amazon. And when the supply chain kind of was breaking down, it seemed more important than ever to focus on a local economy. Also, as part of that, we have so many local growers, farmers, producers that are doing really cool stuff.
Really excellent. It's nice to highlight that. A lot of them are highlighted at the farmers market, but that's only available to most people once a week. And we've always thought it'd be a great thing to have something more regular for more people to recognize the availability. Yeah.
And it extends their market also, since they need to be doing their thing during the week. So it's just something about downtown Paris.
It's got good stuff.
Yeah, all the buildings, the architecture, the history with the fire burning everything down and everything being rebuilt in a year. And it's also, I'd say, like an increasingly just good neighborhood. Like there's stuff to do, stuff to walk around. You have your choice of lunch, dinner, coffee.
It's good to be part of something that's getting better and better. I like just walking around.
Yeah, after
like just walking around.
After dinner, we'll take a walk around, and now with the lights and near the fountain, it's so great. Sometimes we'll get ice cream at Sunday in Paris after dinner. That's great. Just taking an after dinner stroll is great.
They're magical. Those lights are magical.
Yeah, they are. Just has added such a I don't know, a great thing to downtown with sparkly lights.
Yeah.
I think when we did the stop sign study, I really thought that was an improvement. I know a lot of people didn't like it, but I really thought that was a major improvement just to the overall atmosphere and the walkability of downtown. It was a little bit quieter. It was easier to cross the street. It was also easier to drive through downtown.
Yeah, living here made it. I was surprised. I was like, oh no, it's gonna be so much slower getting back home. But as it turned out, the flow made it actually like faster to get through, even though I was driving slower. It's strange.
Right. So I'm hoping we can maybe continue to work on that because it really did add a lot to the atmosphere.
I think a little like continuing, we've got some progress toward diversity of business downtown, and I think continuing that same progress of like adding more, not just the same types of business, but more different businesses.
Right.
Final question is, would you rather fight one horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses?
Oh, one
horse-sized duck.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want 100 little things
No,
around me.
I don't want
like
100
one
anything.
Consolidated
Yeah,
enemy, you know,
absolutely.
that I can problem solve.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want 100 little things
No.
attacking me from
Unless
all
you
sides.
can stomp them.
Yeah. Yeah.
But then you're still.
I mean, ducks are not that tiny.
That's true. They're
No,
not
that's
that tiny. They're
pretty
mean.
big. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do Paris Brewing.
Oh yeah, Paris Brewing Company.
They're not open yet, but we've sampled the beer and it is excellent.
Yeah, it is, and they're great guys.
Yeah.